Not me setting up my camera to do a meal prep video. What? 2024? I can't even set my camera up properly without speaking to you guys yet. Let me see. I haven't done this in so long. I feel kind of brand new. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, is my light okay? Of course, I don't have my glasses on. My contacts aren't in. Nothing has changed. Let me mute this. Oh my God, hello friends! Hi friends, I hope you all are well and feeling even better. Cheers to the first episode of my, cheers to the first meal prepping episode of 2024. This is my first time meal prepping since my robotic laparoscopy surgery. I'm pretty sure details about the surgery will be posted before this. However, if I'm slacking, just know that video is coming soon. I am gonna go get my glasses. I can see everything clearly. Okay, I can. And I'm gonna back this up in a bit, but I just know right here it's really good. Where was I? Yes, so if I'm slacking, just know the surgery video is coming soon. I'm still in recovery right now. Well, I'm still within my recovery window. The full recovery is 6 weeks. Right now, I'm barely about a week and 4 days in, but I feel great. I did start my meal prepping last night just so I wouldn't have to be in the kitchen all day. I know that would have really worn me out. And yesterday my sides started aching, but I know that's from bad posture, from me being on the lappy in the bed and not sitting properly like any other day. So, oh, is that focused? Okay. Right, so if I'm slacking, just know the details about the surgery will be coming up very soon, but I'm pretty sure I stuck to my guns and I got the surgery video out first. If I didn't, I was just too excited about this. Anyhow, I'm about a week and 4 days into my recovery. The full recovery is 6 weeks, so I broke down my meal prepping session into 2 days. I started meal prepping last night, mainly because I did not want to lay down yet and I was tired of sitting down. My side started aching a bit because I was in bed the past 2 nights working on the lappy, but my posture was horrible, and so that caused quite a few aches. But I'm glad it's for sure just the posture, because as soon as I thought about it, I got my yoga blocks, sat them down on the floor, and I sat on those, and within minutes my side started feeling so much better. But I'll still bring it up to the surgeon when I go in for my post-op in a couple of days. Anyhow, the meal prep today is a mixed, okay. I'm making fake curry chicken. Fake. I say fake not because I'm not using chicken, like I'm using actual chicken. I was gonna go chicken because y'all know how the vegans put, oh, it's chicken. Like, no, just tell me what it is. It's tofu, it's mushrooms, just tell me. But I say fake curry chicken because initially my intention was never to cook curry chicken. I was cooking soup. I have 2 large bags of kale. I said, you know what? I just need a couple tomatoes, you know, some tomatoes, potatoes, some veggies, throw it all in there and make a soup. So I was talking to my mom yesterday. She made a different kind of soup. She was telling me about it. And in my head, I'm like, that's basically the steps to curry chicken, but it wasn't curry chicken that she was cooking. So I did my research and I saw, I was like, you know what? It's curry, because you know, the curry, you have to add the water, allow the chicken to cook, and then add the veggies with the potatoes and allow that to cook. So I was like, okay, I can do my first curry chicken attempt. And again, I'm doing like this because I don't have all the ingredients, like that green sauce. I didn't have something that's a little square I didn't have, and something else. And also I'm not cooking a whole lot of chicken. So I said, you know what? Let me give curry chicken a try first, because Latoya's mom makes the best curry chicken ever, hands down. So I won't officially claim that I know how to cook curry chicken until I'm in the kitchen with her and until she tries my curry chicken. So I said, you know what? Let me attempt to make curry chicken, you know, do the basics. If I screw up, cool. I'm just gonna move forward with my freaking soup. And it's just gonna be a curry, tomato, kale soup with chicken, you know. But I was like, if I can get those first 2 steps down, then I'll know for sure, like, oh yeah, I got this. So when my meal prepping today, fake curry chicken and soup, a few salads. I think I'm going to make a bit of, am I making granola? Hold on, I put a story in a poll in my Instagram to ask them, what are we cooking today? And everyone's balance. Wait, no, I think pancakes are winning. What should I make today? Overnight oats has 12%, granola 12%, pancakes 62%, and oat milk 12%. So I actually already made overnight oats. I made that last night. So I guess I'll make pancakes and make that as a reel for tomorrow morning. So it's gonna be a bit going on. It's also football Sunday. So you know me, watching football, cooking, and talking to y'all. But thank you so much. I hope y'all are doing well and had an amazing new year. Enjoy the video. And I'm gonna taste everything for the first time when everything's done. I ain't going back and forth. I wanna see how it all tastes at once so I know, okay, time to make everything into a soup. So thank you guys so much in advance for your time. Ciao. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I did not realize my lens were kind of dirty in the previous clip, so forgive me, but we're all good now. So check out my chicken. I cut up everything and did the seasoning last night, allowed it to marinate, and now I'm gonna pull it out of the fridge. Oh no, she smells kind of good. Okay. All right, y'all, we can see. So I'm going to brown my chicken first, heat up the oil, brown my chicken first, then add the water, and then add the other veggies. Let me just tap back into the videos I saw because I went through quite a few. Let me see. Oh, onions, garlic. Is this still onions, garlic? Brown the curry, then add the chicken to brown on each side. Okay, let me go to another one. Okay. So let me get this done. And I barely started bending down and picking things up. So if you see me moving in slow motion, that's why, okay? That's why, so. It's time, y'all. Got the pot ready. I'm gonna cut up some garlic. Hey you guys, are we good? Are we clear? Put you over here. Hey you guys, so I managed to not have enough curry and make it too watery, make the broth evaporate, and have it too thick. I managed to do all of that, but I blame Paramount Plus. I was on the Lappy searching for the Eagles game, but the Bears kept coming up, so I went to Twitter. I'm like, what's happening? I'm talking to other people, and mind you, I hear the broth because it was too watery, so I didn't want to add any thickener, so I said, you know what, let me remove the lid so, you know, the evaporated water and all that jazz isn't just collecting inside and keeping it watery. So, you know, when I took the lid off, I should have also lowered the heat. So I'm hearing all the things, but I'm also like, I need to see the Eagles game. The Jags lost. Oh my God, they're out of the playoffs. I need to see the Eagles game. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I am. So I'm gonna have to move forward with the soup. I'm gonna get my veggie broth because there's no broth at all. Like, look at this. Look at this. I see it. Right. So I have veggie broth because I was going to make, you know, soup. I always said, I'm making soup. That's the end goal. However, the route or the procedure is basically the same for curry chicken, so let me just give it a try. But anyhow, I think I could have done it, one, if I had more curry, and two, if I paid more attention before I took the lid off. Anyhow, The chicken looks good. The chicken's nice and falling off of the bone. Amen. But y'all know the best part of curry chicken is the gravy. I'm not even a gravy person. Mmm. Oh! I can say I'm actually not mad at myself. Well, I'm mad about the broth gravy. Oh, Jazzy baby. Damn, gravy I would have been very proud if I didn't screw up the gravy. Want some more chicken. I'm glad I knew about the scotch peppers already, because I just used one and that was just enough. I'm very impressed with my chicken. I won't eat all of this on camera. Oh, it's water. Yeah. Because I do like the taste so far. I don't want the broth to mess it up. I think I'll cook the broth with the kale that I have and then mix it in as I eat, because I don't want to meal prep it that way with the broth and it just ends up horrible. Because I'm not mad at this. I'm mad at the gravy, but I'm impressed. Like, it has the taste that it's supposed to taste, and I even have everything. Next time, just one medium size. I used 1.5. Oh, girl! Hold on. It's getting to me. Let me go ahead and plate this meal so I can focus and get to some football, because now my teams are playing, so I gotta get to it. I'll check out in a bit. Alrighty friends, that wraps up today's meal prep, aka the first meal prep of 2024 with the attempt to make curry chicken, baby. It's all about trial and error. My first time cooking curry chicken, the second time my gravy will be top tier, and the third time, when I come back that last time with curry chicken, just know everything will be top tier. Top tier without a doubt. So thank you guys so much again for tuning in. This is by far the heaviest meal that I've consumed since my surgery. And let me tell you, I am, from the little bit you guys saw me try, I am so full right now. You have no idea. So I got everything plated. I'm about to throw it in the fridge and then take a break before I clean up before I clean up the kitchen. As always, your time is greatly appreciated. If you have any questions, you can contact me in the comments or contact me directly at xojrwellness.com/contact. See you guys next time. Oh, listen, how I usually leap off, I took like 2 steps off, because the way this meal has me so full right now, it just reminds me of why I like to keep clean. Oh, well, why I like to eat clean. You don't feel drowsy or anything, and the gas that's in my stomach's not helping anything at all, but I don't feel bad. I'm just like, oh, I feel so full, and this is why I like to stick with clean foods, use herbs as a seasoning and all that jazz. But anyhow, I'm really done. Talk to you guys next time.